Welcome to Bannik Family Carpet Cleaning, your trusted partner in maintaining a fresh and clean home. As pet owners, we understand the challenges of dealing with pet stains and odors. Our furry friends bring joy, but they can also leave behind unwanted messes. Pet stains and odors can build up over time, becoming increasingly difficult to remove. The ammonia in pet urine can cause color loss in some carpet fibers and can penetrate deep into the carpet pad, making it tough to eliminate odors completely. At Bannik Family Carpet Cleaning, we specialize in addressing these tough stains and odors. Our advanced techniques and eco-friendly products are designed to tackle the problem at its source, reaching deep into the carpet fibers and pad. Our process is thorough and professional. First, we inspect the carpet to identify problem areas. Next, we pre-treat the stains with specialized solutions. Finally, we use hot water extraction to lift dirt, stains, and odors, leaving your carpet fresh and clean. With Bannik Family Carpet Cleaning, you can enjoy a cleaner, healthier home. While some deeply embedded stains and odors may not be completely removable, our professional services significantly improve the condition and longevity of your carpets. Trust Bannik Family Carpet Cleaning to handle your toughest pet stains and odors. Call us today at 204-444-5646 or visit bannikcarpetcleaning.ca to schedule your appointment.